Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Are you tired of forgetting items while shopping or struggling to keep your grocery lists organized? A good shopping list app can make all the difference, turning your shopping experience into a breeze. Today, we'll be exploring 3 of the best shopping list apps available for Android that can help you stay organized and make your shopping trips more efficient. Let's get started. Shopping List, SoftList. Shopping List. SoftList is a user-friendly app designed to simplify your shopping experience. The app allows you to create, manage, and organize multiple shopping lists, making it easy to keep track of your grocery needs. Users can add items by typing or using voice input, and the app offers features like categorizing items, setting quantities, and marking items as purchased. One notable feature is the ability to share lists with friends or family, ensuring everyone is on the same page when it comes to shopping. With a clean and intuitive interface, SoftList makes grocery shopping hassle-free and efficient for users of all ages. Shopping List, Lister. Shopping List, Lister is a powerful yet simple app for managing your shopping needs. This app allows you to create multiple lists and categorize items based on various criteria, such as grocery, household items, or personal shopping. Lister features a straightforward interface where users can quickly add items, set priorities, and check items off as they shop. Additionally, the app allows for customization, enabling users to modify categories, colors, and the order of items. A standout feature is the ability to sync lists across multiple devices, making it perfect for families or couples who want to share shopping lists seamlessly. With its versatility and ease of use, Lister is an excellent choice for keeping your shopping organized. Shopping List, Enchan. Shopping List. Enchan is another fantastic option for users seeking a straightforward shopping list app. This app offers a minimalistic design that focuses on ease of use, making it quick to create and manage lists. Users can add items either manually or through voice commands, and the app supports categorizing items for better organization. Enchan features a handy favorite items section, allowing you to quickly access frequently purchased products. The app also includes options for setting reminders to ensure you don't forget essential items. With its clean interface and practical features, Enchan is perfect for anyone looking for a simple but effective shopping assistant. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best shopping list apps helps you streamline your shopping experience and never forget an item again. Which shopping list app are you excited to try, or do you have favorites of your own? Let us know in the comments below. Until next time, happy shopping!